Hello, classmates and teacher. My name is Lizeth Acosta. I study psychology. 10 the video one. Review of the deep teen sound. Are we alone? Go only. No, no. Open truth. Show. Overthrown true. Okay, Joan, grow, ocean, stone, flow, owner, quote, tomato, out there, come, potato. Found Joan at home, my nose and throat hurts. Don't go to throw stones. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Eats snows on grapes. Don't go to the show alone. You owe Joe a phone call. Somebody has stolen my com. Um, Next, the video 2, practice 10. Um, let's see what speaking today. Mary's sister Lois, sipping juice. Frank speaking about horses saddles. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Let's let's attack on the ice with Phillips skates. The candidate species sound false. Tom's saw Shakira shows. Her face showed a nice smile when the sister likes sausages. The Cyclops said the chest stinks. Thanks.